Sparkling smiles are attractive and infectious. When you smile with a big, healthy smile, it makes other people smile back at you. You can maintain a healthy smile by practicing good oral hygiene, eating a healthy diet, and getting regular preventative care. Keeping your teeth strong with good dental hygiene. Brush for at least 2 minutes. Do this in the morning and at night before you go to sleep. The most important thing in maintaining a good oral hygiene is to adopt the correct brushing technique. Ask your dentist or hygienist to teach you how to correctly use the toothbrush and how to apply it to your gums and teeth. Protect your teeth against decay by using a toothpaste with fluoride. Prevent tooth decay from occurring between your teeth by flossing. Flossing will remove food particles, plaque, and bacteria that might be hiding between your teeth where the bristles of your brush can't reach them. Use mouthwash. You can reduce the amount of bacteria floating around your mouth by rinsing with an antibacterial mouthwash or salt solution. Scrape bacteria off your tongue with a scraper or by brushing it. The roughness of your tongue traps food particles and bacteria, which may contribute to tooth decay. Don't smoke. Smoking will stain your teeth yellow, give you bad breath, and make you more likely to get gum disease and mouth cancers. Eating a healthy diet for healthy teeth. Reduce your sugar intake. When the bacteria in your mouth break down sugars, it produces acids which dissolve the protective enamel coating on your teeth. Avoid drinks that stain your teeth. The following food are very common causes of yellow, unhealthy-looking teeth. Cut down your alcohol consumption. Alcohol wears away the protective enamel coating on your teeth. Eat extra crunchy, raw fruits and vegetables. These foods will help scrape your teeth clean as you eat them. And they are good for you. Options include cucumbers, reduce the amounts of sticky foods you eat. They are more likely to leave sugary films that will lead to tooth decay between your teeth. Examples include granola bars, dried fruit like raisins, gummy candies or taffies. Limit the amount of highly acidic foods and drinks you consume. Drink extra water. Water will help prevent food from getting stuck in your teeth. Chew sugar-free gum after eating. Gum will make the saliva flow, which will help break down any remaining pieces of food. Visiting the dentist. Go to a dentist if you notice symptoms suggesting that you are having problems with your teeth. Discuss treatment options with your dentist. If you have tooth or mouth pain, you may need treatment for an abscessed tooth, an impacted tooth, gum disease. Get a professional teeth cleaning. It is best to get your teeth cleaned and get an exam every 6 months. Children should start seeing a dentist as soon as they begin getting baby teeth. Talk to your dentist about protective treatments for your teeth.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,